So here we're given two similar triangles, triangle STU and triangle VWX. Given that these two are similar, means that they are the same shape except different sides. So we can put down that triangle STU is similar to triangle VWX. Now, the question asks, what's the measure of angle X? Let's say here is angle X. Okay? Knowing that these two shapes, these two triangles are similar, means that all their angles are congruent, means they're equal. So if that's 75, this is 75 degrees. If that's 42 degrees, that means this one is 42 degrees also. Therefore, the measure of angle X, so we can say angle X is equal to 42 degrees with confidence. Okay? So, to be more precise, you can say measure of angle X is 42 degrees. I like that. Okay. Now, here's a little twist to this question. You might be asked, what's the value of y? So let's put y in over here. So let's say this side is y plus 5. Okay? What is the y there? Knowing that the triangle that's similar to it has a side of 6 and 9 here. Okay? And this side is 8. To find out what is the value of y, we're going to, step 1, use proportion. Use that word again. Don't let that intimidate you. Okay? It's just like a ratio. Okay? So we're going to take the sides and compare. Let's say side TS. We'll compare that to TU. Okay, and then we'll relate it to side WV and side WX. Okay. The reason I chose those sides is because I know this length is 8 and I know this length is y plus 5. And then the reason I chose WV is because I know this length is 6 and then WX is 9. Okay, so let's fill in what we can. TS is equal to 8 over TU is y plus 5. Writing it smaller so that we'll have enough room to work this problem here. WV is equal to 6. Okay, so what is WX? It is 9. Okay. Now, remember we're trying to zoom in on the value of y here. So we want to know what y is. So next step we would want to do is cross multiply to find y. Okay. So step 2 here, we're going to cross multiply, okay, to find y. So let's take y plus 5 times 6 and 8 times 9. Okay, so here we'll go 8 times 9, y plus 5 times 6. Let's see what we'll get. So 8 times 9, I'm just rewriting it, equals y plus 5 times 6. So it's common that we put 6 first and then y plus 5. Okay. 8 times 9 is 72, equals, now we're going to multiply this. 6 times y, and then 6 times 5. Okay, so 6 times y is 6y. 6 times 5 is 30. Positive times positive is positive. Now, to get y by itself, go ahead and do what you need to do here. Get rid of the 30. Ask yourself, what's the opposite of plus 30? So let's subtract 30 from both sides. We eliminate this. 6y is equal to 72 minus 30. Let's say it's 42. Okay, so now we have the 6 in the way here. What's the opposite of times 6? Divide 6. Divide 6. 6 cancels out. Ultimately, y is equal to 42 divided by 6. It's 7. Okay, so we've answered the question. The value of y here is 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12. This side has a length of 12. So our final answer is y equals 7.